Want to know how to explore species in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply head towards your favorite web browser and type in plantnet.org or identify.plantnet.org, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, here on the top left side, you should be seeing identify and explore, two of these. So you can just simply hover on explore, that's right beside identify, and on the first you should be seeing species. Since in this video we're exploring species, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected that, you should be seeing various species with various names. You can also select filter right here, and if you can just simply hit towards already observed, IUCN red list, uses, and much more, and you can just simply apply it. And right here you can just simply scroll down until you find the species or you find the floral that you want to see. You can just simply select it, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.